It's not. Is it spicy? Okay.
That was crazy. Hi, my name is Sachin, the main person of Such is Joy. Make sure to subscribe. So today I am picking a lot of chilies, and right now I see one chili left. This is called the Carolina Reaper. It is one of the most spiciest chilies. We are making this and making all of these chilies into one hot sauce. See? If you want, we are actually going to pick a lot more. So do you see all of these Carolina Reapers? Now we are going to clean them. I mean, some of these are Habaneros like this one, but now we'll have to clean them somewhere, not my inside because my mom is telling me to not, but a sneak. So finally, my dad is right now cleaning. No, you're going to start getting pepper burn. This guy is deaf. You might have seen him in the storybook telling and on the Rubik's Cube video. Like, he always wants to be in every video. So now my dad is still taking these out. Like,
please,
now my dad is going. Why does he have garlic? Can you tell us why you have garlic?
We are going to roast the garlic and the chili peppers.
Well, usually they have different times. Like, yeah, they have different times being fried. So usually we are going to put these inside a grill for how much minutes?
15 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit.
Now my dad is going to put this inside the grill. We are going to do, well, we are not going to do time lapse, sorry, because the grill is going to be off. I mean, closed. Fun fact, well, this is my third video of 2024. Yeah, and also my whole life, because, well, 2024 was when I started these videos, and yeah. Now, guys, my dad is going to take the hot peppers out of the grill. Daddy, remember? Oh, those look so hot. Those look so grilled. That's actually kind of bad, actually. They smell like chicken nuggets.
Yeah, smells nice, right?
Yes, they smell like so bad. All of these chilies can be mixed. Like all of these chilies, like in this video. See? All of those chilies can mix up with the garlic. And also some of these chilies are like different kinds of chilies. Like the Habaneros and Carolina Reapers. And, well, garlic makes it taste better and smells yummier. Okay? Now, guys, my dad is going to put these in the blender. Usually how all of these guys get blended is with vinegar, not with the blender. But usually my dad is now going to make the sauce. This is going to be so yummy. And now, everyone, plug your ears. This is too spicy. Wait, Daddy, why are you putting lemon sauce?
Just a bit of lemon for some flavor.
Lemon tastes bad. Okay, now let's put on the spicy. So this is so spicy. I need some milk because this is so spicy. This is so spicy. I'm on fire. Oh. Help me. I'm so spiced up. Please.
25.
Help me. Please help me now. Ow. So spicy.
Sugar?
spicy. Please help me. This is so spicy. So spicy. Spicy. This is so spicy. Please help me. So spicy, guys. How spicy. This is already 2 minutes. It's already 2 minutes. Spicy, spicy,
Are you recording?
spicy. Yes, spicy,
With
spicy. Sugar, spicy, spicy. Milk, spicy, spicy. No, not chilies. Spicy, spicy. Milk, spicy, spicy. Conquer, spicy, spicy. Crunky, spicy,
Some white
spicy.
vinegar.
What the? Now, guys, my dad is actually doing a lot of stuff to make this work. Yes, already a lot. Now, let's see. The vinegar actually has actually spread the sugar and salt everywhere. That's actually good. Right? Here. It's going to be loud. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Okay. What? Guys, my dad told me to bottle this. Now let's do this. Oh, okay, that actually looks so spicy. I'm going to actually try one drop. That already looks full. Guys, now I'm going to move this right here. There. Now, here comes the lava. Oh, this bowl is not full. Guys, next bottle. Oh. No. Okay, here comes the lava. Guys, now my dad is right now putting in the rest. Guys, you see? Now it's coming lava. No, the lava's still going. The reason why I'm calling this lava is because lava's so hot and this sauce is so hot. Guys, before telling your parents to before trying to eat some like very spicy hot sauce, tell your parents first because if the hot sauce is like too much, then you can't then your breath will go down. So right now, my dad told me to try this. The reason why I have milk is because milk.
Just a small drop. Okay. Oh, you like it? It's not. Is it spicy?
Yeah, I'm having more.
What?
That feels better.
Sachin, I think that's enough. Are you okay? Come, come. I think that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay, you try it.
Oh, it's too hot. Ah,
No,
I need some milk.
no, after me. Okay, bro.
Okay. Okay.
That's crazy.
Did you like the sauce? Did you like the taste?
I'm pretty sure you did. Yeah.